Alamin naman natin ang mga nakahakdang plano sa Samahang Basketball ng Pilipinas o SBP para sa long-term program ng Gilas Pilipinas. Para sa detalye, narito ang report ni teammate Paulo Salamatin.
Walang panahon na mag-aksaya ng oras ang Samahang Basketball ng Pilipinas o SBP sa magandang layunin nito para sa long-term development ng basketball sa Pilipinas. Sa naganap na Philippine Sports Writers Association Forum kamakailan sa Maynila, ibinahagi ni SBP Executive Director Erica D na malinaw ang kanilang target, ang makapasok ang men's at women's 5x5 at 3x3 teams sa Olympics at mapasama ang Pilipinas sa top 16 sa world rankings. Sa kabila ng quarterfinals exit ng Gilas Pilipinas sa FIBA Asia Cup kamakailan, nananatiling kumpiyansa ang SBP na nasa tamang landas pa rin ang kanilang plano para sa basketball program ng bansa.
For national teams, obviously the goal is to make the Olympics. No? There are 4 categories in basketball: 3x3 men's, 3x3 women's, 5x5 men's, and 5x5 women's. And we do believe that we have a chance to get to the Olympics for all those 4 teams. No? We have carved pathways for them. And even for our Gilas men, as disappointing as the previous tournament, the Asia Cup was, we're actually still in pace of our goal of making it to the Olympics. Because the World Cup qualifiers, that's where it starts, and that doesn't begin until November, December.
Bukod sa national squads, nakatutok din ang SBP sa grassroots at institutional support para sa mga kasapi at lokal na komunidad ng basketball. Kabilang dito ang planong pakikipagkolaborasyon ng SBP sa Department of Education upang ipasok ang wastong basketball training sa lahat ng mga pampublikong paaralan sa buong bansa.
Of course, we also have to focus on our grassroots. That's why we hired Coach Norman as a grassroots head. And under the grassroots program, we have talent identification, which he spearheads. We have our Coaches Academy under Coach Jong Yuichiko, where we try to develop more competitive coaches, no, to teach our youth, and also for our commercial teams, no, commercial level.
Kasama rin dito ang Technical Academy na magsisilbing pangunahing pagmumulan ng pagbuo ng mga homegrown world-class referees at technical officials ng bansa.
Basketball is habit forming, and if referees at the lower level do not make the right calls, our kids might be picking up the wrong habits. So we also want a pathway, no, for our referees to be Olympians also, or World Cup referees. That's what we want for them.
Maliban sa mga planong nabanggit, isa rin sa tinatarget ng SBP ang pagkakaroon ng sariling facility para sa lahat ng mga miyembro ng Gilas. Paulo Salamatin para sa Atletang Pilipino, para sa Bagong Pilipinas.